le front caché sur tes genoux. J'ai sangloté toute ma peine.
Cecile, thank you so much for joining me this evening. It is such a pleasure to have another talented Haitian star sit with us in What's Up Haitian.
Thank you very much for having me. It's a pleasure. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida, and my father's Haitian and my mom is French.
What culture do you most associate with?
I am similar to a lot of my group of friends that I was brought up with in Miami, in that we have this multicultural background and we don't really know where we belong fully, but we somehow have a lot in common with each other because we're children of immigrants, and yet we feel very American at the same time.
How would you describe yourself?
I don't know that I have a strongest quality. I'm pretty, I guess I would say I'm a very shy person, and I don't really like to be like the center of attention, and I don't really like to brag either.
What do you know about Haitian music?
I don't know a lot. Some of it.
Compa.
I mean, compa, yeah. And then some older stuff. And I started getting really into this compilation. There's this huge compilation by a man named Alan Lomax, who was really into folk music, and he went to Haiti in the 30s, and he recorded all sorts of folkloric Haitian music that, like, it predates compa and predates a lot of the stuff that we typically hear now. A lot of African influences, and that's really interesting too, hearing all these Haitian folk songs.
Do you know about Haitian jazz?
I know the musicians that I've come into contact with that are some amazing jazz musicians, people like Obed Calvert and Sarah Charles and Melanie Charles and Jean Caz. Just a lot of wonderful Haitian people that I met in New York. It's been a couple years that, you know, from the time we first did our concert in Haiti in 2012, and then last year, people are coming out to the concerts, and it's really like a warm welcome and like a feeling of being home and being welcomed by a community that's yours, and that's really great. And people are there applauding you. I mean, there's not a lot of jobs where you can literally be applauded while you're doing it.
Yeah. Where do you consider your success right now? I mean,
I tend not to really look at articles or interviews or videos of myself.
Yeah.
But I do feel like I've been really lucky, and I feel really grateful for what's been happening.
Cecile, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Do you have a special message?
Well, if you know of me and you like my music already, thank you so much for your support. If you don't, I would encourage you to listen to what you can. And if you don't like it, give it to people you hate. And thank you very much.
Et quelques mots en français?
Merci beaucoup pour tout votre soutien. Et puis j'espère vous voir prochainement à un de mes concerts.